Hello everyone, so this video is going to cover one, how to access your assignments from Schoology, but also being able to upload them themselves. So one, you're going to need to log into your MySpring, and then you're going to be looking for this tab here. If you don't see Schoology immediately whenever you log in, all you have to do is just look for this little search bar and then type in Schoology. Once you have it, you click it. And then yours is going to look very similar to mine. So you are going to see all of these different courses that you're uploaded in. So you're going to look very specifically for my course that you're enrolled in, whether or not you're Art 2, Photography, Art 3, or your high school course. I'm just going to be playing around in my quote-unquote sandbox, which is just my practice area. I'm going to start viewing this as a student, just so that you guys can see more or less what I see. And all I have available for my materials right now for you guys is this Introduction to Art folder. And it also has this assignment turn in practice. So before you get ready to turn in any documents, any photos, what you're going to have to do is just get comfortable with how to upload images. Most of my assignments are going to be uploading images, especially your major projects. So to access that, how to upload those, you're going to be looking for this resources. It's always going to be under Introduction to Art, and I'm also going to be copying them to any folders that I upload for any of your units. So if I go to resources, because we're uploading a photo for this first assignment, you're going to be clicking and looking for this one that's right here in the middle. It says Schoology, how to take a picture to submit your assignment. So I click this, and it brings up this big huge PDF of literally taking you step by step, and I'm looking at doing number 1, doing number 2, doing number 3, 4, and I keep on going down until I have my assignment uploaded. So theoretically, I'm a student right now and I'm going to my assignment turn in practice. There's actually 2 places to be able to access this. So if I go back to the generic materials, I can see it here on the right, and I can also go into the folder itself and also upload it. Either or, it makes the exact same thing, does the exact same thing. So I click here on the assignment turn in practice, and then you are going to be able to access and submit, just like those steps said before, of how to upload that photo. Once you guys are done, it's going to get turned into me and I'm going to be able to grade it. If you guys get stuck at any point in time, double check that PDF first, and if that doesn't work, contact me or the technology helpline for the district and we'll be able to help you out. My email is kpropst@springisd.org. You also have my Google Voice number in that syllabus that I had handed out to everybody. You should have had it saved so that you guys can be successful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, just let me know at any point in time. Thank you and have a great day.